How to redirect a URL in Blogger. Method 1. Redirect a single post or page. Use this when 1. You have changed a post URL. 2. You have deleted a post and want to redirect traffic. 3. You have set an SEO-friendly URL. Steps. Log into Blogger. Go to Settings. Press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. Then search for Custom Redirects. Click on Custom Redirects. Click on Add. In From, you have to give the old or 404 error URL. Into, you have to give the new URL you want to redirect. To explain to you, I am opening 2 articles from my blog. I am deleting this article to make it clear. Now, if I reload this page, I will see a 404 error. If a page with a 404 error is indexed by Google, a lot of traffic will be lost. To redirect this URL to another URL, first copy the URL. Then paste it in From. Then paste the URL to which you want to redirect it, the new URL, into. I copied the URL of this article, 20 largest deserts in the world, why are they growing? Then paste it into. Enable Permanent Redirect, 301. Click Save. Now, if I reload this page, I will see the article 20 largest deserts in the world, why are they growing? Similarly, you can redirect any page of the website. I will redirect the disclaimer page to the privacy policy page. For this, first, I will copy the URL of the disclaimer page. I will click on Custom Redirects. Click on Add. After that, I will paste the URL of the disclaimer page in From. Now I will copy the URL of the privacy policy page. Then I will paste it into. I will enable Permanent Redirect, 301. I will click on Save. Now, if someone enters our disclaimer page, it will be redirected to the privacy policy page. Method 2. Redirect using HTML. If you can't access the settings or want a temporary redirect, use this. To illustrate, I'm opening the About Us and Contact Us page. We're going to redirect the About Us page of our website to the Contact Us page. That is, when someone visits our About Us page, they'll be redirected to the Contact Us page. To edit About Us, click on it. Then, switch the page to HTML view. This HTML code is given in the pin comment. You can copy it. In place of new page, enter the new URL to which you want to redirect this page. In my case, it's the Contact Us page. Then copy the entire code from here. Then paste it here. Then click on Update. Now, if someone visits our About Us page, it will redirect to the Contact Us page. Method 3. Redirect the old domain to the new domain. If you are migrating to a new domain, from Settings, go to Publishing. You can add a custom domain to Blogger if you want. Enable Redirect Domain. Now Blogger automatically applies 301 redirects to all URLs. To illustrate, I am copying the URL of my Blogger website from here. Now, if I try to visit my Blogger URL, it will redirect to our custom domain. Best practices, important for SEO. Always use 301 permanent redirect. Redirect old URLs to relevant content, not just the homepage. Keep URLs relative, no domain name, in custom redirects.